Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a tool that lets you automatically post to all Facebook groups in bulk, quickly and easily. This is the interface of the Marketing Care software. First, the software will help you manage an unlimited number of Facebook accounts. As you can see on the screen, I have over 1,000 Facebook accounts, and the more accounts you have, the more effective it is. Next, if you want to post, just select the automatic posting section here. Here, you'll choose to post to groups. First, you'll need to set up the parameters for the software. Here, you can configure things like the interval between two posts, for example from 30 to 60 seconds, and the error limit is 3 times. And here, you just need to enter the group IDs for me. Just the IDs of the groups where you want to post. If you don't know how to get the group IDs, you can go back to my previous videos and watch them again. You just need to enter the ID here, just paste the group ID right here. Next, you select the content that you want to post. You can also prepare this content in advance within the software. Here, if you want to choose any content, just tick it. That's it, then you just click Save. Next, you can configure things like how many groups each account should post to, or how many posts to make. You can enter those numbers right here. And for the next parameters you want to select, you can just tick them as well. For example, you can choose to comment directly on the post after it has been successfully published. That's it. Once you've set up all these parameters, you'll select the Facebook accounts that will post for you. Here. Next, you just need to click the Start button, and the software will automatically mass post to all the groups for you in a super fast and easy way. As you can see, the software is automatically loading the Facebook accounts. See, and it will start automatically logging into those Facebook accounts, and then begin entering the groups you requested to post for you. There, it starts going into each group, posting for you in every group, and it will post exactly the content you provided. Here, you can have the software post to hundreds or even thousands of groups in a single day. That way, your content gets widespread coverage. If you're interested in the automatic posting tool, just contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp. I'll provide support by giving advice and helping you install the software on your device, as well as guiding you on how to use it. If you find the video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment directly below the video. Also, make sure to follow my channel so you'll get notified whenever I release new videos about other software. Besides Facebook software, I also have a lot of other software like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.